In today's video, we will be going over the craziest and most insane videos ever caught on the DashCam. Don't forget to stay safe and drive safely. Let's go! He had a huge crash while merging onto the freeway. A driver avoiding a rear-end collision gets rear-ended instead. Truck driver makes a sudden, scary U-turn out of nowhere. Two drivers decided to run a red light, but only one crashed. Well, that's unfortunate. This is what rear-ending a huge truck looks like. Very senseless driver putting lives in danger.
Under your hand, and then before you can pull away, takes out a dagger and cuts your hand. The pact is made. If any one of you should meet Grant.
Why do some drivers never check their blind spots?
Jesus, fuck me!
Tell me, is this luck or skill? Cute turtle or tortoise causes an adorable traffic jam. Trying to run somebody over there, Mr. Truck Driver? I really don't think he deserves a license. Crazy driver speeding at dangerously high speeds. Now this car can't decide whether it's going left or right. That's a horrible way to make a turn. This has to be the most inconsiderate driver ever. Going that fast on a double yellow line never ends well. That didn't sound good at all. Well, that wasn't very safe or smart. Now this is very confusing. Do you think he had an emergency to be driving this fast?